Hello and welcome. We are going to unbox. Today we are going to unbox the EMG TTI Taran Tactical Innovations Sand Viper. So this gun was introduced way back 2023 sa John Wick Chapter 4. So although yung inintroduce doon is yung Pit Viper, which is the black one. So the unit that is inside this box is the direct brother of that. So this is the Sand Viper. So ito. So we're going to unbox now and so yung box matigas, an evidence na premium yung unit na nasa loob. Okay, what's inside the box? Oh, whoa. Oh, and by the way, this too, it doesn't come with the unit pag binili mo siya, so you have to buy it separately. And I choose 0.25 grams na may 3,000 shots. So, ito siya. Ayan. 0.25 for more precise shots. And then 12 na standard power. Although this unit can take 14 or yung power up, it is recommended pa rin na to use 12 or the standard power. Para na rin sa unit para mas magtagal siya. Although this can take that 14 pero 12 pa rin para sa safety. Wow, so right off the bat, the license, certificate of authenticity proving na legit yung unit o rig, and may QR. Then yung optic plate, kasi yung unit na to wala siyang iron sights, and this is a race gun and specifically made from the ground up para maging para pang optics, kaya may kasamang ganito. And then may allen siya. Okay, and the magazine. So by the way, yung magazine pasok din siya sa WE na high kappa. On top may red. It is a sign na anti-freeze and reinforced. Tsaka unlike any other magazine na black, kagaya ng ibang high kappas, ito ano na siya, parang steel yung color, silver. Then with the base plate na coyote brown with the marking of TTI Taran Tactical. So let's set that aside, and of course the unit itself. Just wow, ganda yung unit. Kikita nyo. So dito sa kabilang side may ito, yan, Sand Viper. Tsaka dito nakikita nyo yung S, hindi yan ordinary S, parang yung snake, symbolizes the viper, no? Sand Viper. And then dito may TTI logo, dito rin TTI markings at saka serial number from EMG. Even the back ng magazine release may TTI logo din siya. Yan, right? Then sa kabila, doon sa kabila may Sand Viper na nakalagay. Then sa kabila din ito, the other side is Taran Tactical Innovations yung nakalagay. Of course. then slide cuts din dito. And then sa likod, TTI logo din, no? Tagtad ng TTI logo to kasi this is a supported licensed product. Yung TTI na mismong may gawa ng real steel na baril, no? Binigyan nila ng lisensya si EMG para kopyahin yung real steel into airsoft. And ito na yun. Then sa harap, ganito siya. Unlike conventional pistols, no, dito siya mayroon siyang angle kasi this is due to the compensator, built-in compensator. Then ito sa loob, okay, third mag-wheel siya. Then on top, yan another TTI logo na naka ano siya, naka laser engraved dito din. Tsaka itong dalawang to, ito yung allen na tatanggalin mo para ilagay mo itong optic plate. Then dito ipapatong yung optic sa ibabaw. Kasi wala itong iron sights. Again, this is for optics na baril. When it comes to externals, so this is made with CNC machined aluminum slide and together with the aluminum frame, yung pinaka-frame niya. Ito, pinaka-frame niya. And then yung barrel din CNC din yan, machined aluminum na may nakalagay na 9mm kasi yung real steel 9mm din yun. Okay, the only thing na plastic dito is yung grip, no, texture grip. This is the only thing that is plastic para naman hindi siya gaanong kabigat. Weight wise, according sa website, meron itong 1061 grams, no? So 1 kilo din together with the magazine. So this is around 1 kilo, no, more or less. So ganito yung looks niya pag may magazine. Nakausli yung mismong magazine. So what makes it competition pistol na race gun type? Unang-una, the cuts and serrations, no? Ito yung mga cuts, serrations ng slide para mabilis mo siyang textured siya, para mabilis mo siyang marak. Mabilis mo siyang marak whether dito or dito. And then the cuts and ito may cuts in dito and then dito para gumaan yung mismong slide, para snappy yung blowback and action ng baril. Then sa harap, compensator. Obviously wala itong gamit dito kasi airsoft unit to, pero sa real steel na version nito, ito yung nag-act as nagre-release ito ng gas para mag-shoot flap. Tinatanggal niya yung muzzle flip ng baril pag pumuputok siya. No, instead na gumaganon siya kada putok, parang ganun lang, slight lang yung muzzle flip. It doesn't necessarily remove the muzzle flip, pero minimize niya. Okay, tapos ito, texture grip para pag in case you get your hands wet, no, naging sweaty yung kamay mo, hindi siya mag-slide while you're holding it. And the prominent nakausli na, pansin nyo nakausli yung niya, yung magazine release, no? For competition din yan, para mabilis mong ma-press in between magazine change. And then sa baba naman na part, itong flared magwell. Flared magwell, this is a innovation din para sa competition, para ang ginagawa nito, ginaguide niya yung magazine lip and ginaguide niya yung magazine lip para pumasok agad whenever you are changing your mag, and it lessens your error whenever you are reloading. So yun yung pinaka-purpose nitong flared mag wheel na to. Then nga pala yung ano niya, yung slide action niya. Metal na metal talaga siya. No? Naririnig niya naman. Yun. Ganda. Yun. Tsaka, when it comes to trigger mechanism, wait, let me find the wall muna ng trigger. Yun yung wall. Then, iwan ko kung naririnig nyo, napaka-crisp ng trigger. Yun. Isa pa. Ganda. Snappy. Tsaka, like any other 2011s, standard to, meron siyang ambidextrous na safety lever. Yan, pag nakataas yan, kagaya nito. Wait lang. Yan, pag nakataas, that's safe. And when you slide it down, that's fire. Ganun din sa real steel. Tsaka ito din, yung grip safety. Hindi yan puputok. Kahit pa nakababa yung thumb safety, pag hindi na-press tong grip safety, hindi yan puputok. Tingin nyo. Diba? Kailangan maibaba ang first safety na thumb, then you have to grip it in order to fire it. First impressions. So this is a very good pistol. So ito yung klase ng pistol na right out of the box you would really think na it doesn't really need any modifications aside from the optics dito. This is due to necessity kasi wala siyang iron sights, no? But aside from the optic na nandito sa ibabaw, I don't think you will need any modifications para gumanda yung baril na to kasi right out of the box it's as beautiful as it gets, no? Pagka-open mo ng box. So ganun siya. Unfortunately, we cannot test the accuracy of this one because inaantay ko pa yung dumating yung optics na para dito. Kasi wala siyang iron sights, hindi natin matest yung accuracy ngayon. I'll make another video for that pag dumating na yung optics na nandito. Okay? So that's it for the EMG TTI or Taran Tactical Innovations Sand Viper.